much for being here today. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. I have a bunch of new subscribers since the beginning of summer, well up over 200, so I'm really excited about that. So thank you all. I'm doing another rainbow swipe today. It's a little different than what I've done in the past, and I'm really excited. I did a test piece earlier this weekend on a piece of tile, and I really liked it. So hopefully the canvas will turn out exactly the way the tile did. Sometimes they don't. So let's get to it. So I'm using titanium white. I've also got, let's see, Azo Yellow. And I'm going to use Azo Orange. Let's see, how about Deep Red? Oh, this is light magenta, sorry. This is Rouge. Okay, there's the deep red. This is Sap Green. And then I have Quinacridone Blue Violet, and then I've got my pouring medium, which is 60% glue and 40% distilled water. And I'm going to mix this approximately a 1-to-1 ratio, maybe 1 to 2 parts paint to pouring medium. I want the paints to be kind of thin and runny. And then in each of the colors, I'm going to use some of my hair serum, which I'll have a link to down in the description box. There's no hair serum at all in the white. And this titanium white ended up being mixed probably about a ratio of 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium. Unfortunately, it still was really thick and I had to keep adding more water and more pouring medium, so I've lost kind of track of how much exactly. So I'm just going to do this little white in the middle, and then I'm going to go ahead and put some little puddles of the colors right there along that white, and then I'm going to swipe it. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of let you guys watch what I'm doing, and then I'll come back and kind of tell you a little bit about what I should have done different.
told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going
So I still have some areas of my canvas that are not covered really well with this white. So I'm just putting a little bit extra here for it to kind of flow down the sides. I think I have a bad batch of the white. So I'm just using a plastic bag. It was really all I could find when I got ready to do this wipe. And I like that it's a little bit heavier, a little easier to manage, I think. So I'm going to swipe from the yellow end to the green end. And then I'm going to torch this out. And then I am going to swipe from the green end to the yellow end. A reverse swipe, I guess. I love all the colors that are popping up and how they're kind of blending together a little bit. I still have spots on this canvas that the white is not covering, and it's really bugging me. So I'm going to tilt this a little bit to try and get some of this white to move a little bit, but also to kind of stretch out these cells and hopefully get them to have a little more lacing than cells. I guess if that makes sense. Oh, don't like that. All right. I think I'm going to end up scraping some of this white off and putting more on. Because I really don't like how this is looking. I'm afraid it's not going to level itself out. But I like how the colors are kind of swirling. It's not exactly what I was envisioning, but I still really like it. Okay guys, I'm back. So the piece is done, it's dry. So first I want to show you. This was the little test piece I did first over the weekend. And this is just a little piece of tile that I bought. And I love the lacing that I got on here. So I was really hoping to get the same on the canvas, but I didn't get that. Not to this extent. So here it is dry. I still really like it. As you guys saw in the video, I had a lot of issues with my white. No matter what I did, it was still really thick. And no matter how much I put on, it just didn't want to cover the canvas the way it's supposed to. So I think I've got to go buy some new titanium white paint. This was by Grumbacher, and I don't know if I got a bad batch or what, but I still really like it. I kind of see like almost like a floral pattern even. I still think it looks really cool, but I would like to redo this. I think the other thing I did was make my puddles of paint too big, so I had too much paint on the canvas. And then I think I also started out with them too far apart, and I should have put them maybe a little closer together. So I'll try that again. But I really like these 10 by 20 canvases that I have. I think these are great for stuff like this swipe. And I also really like my 12 by 12 squares for things like the galaxy pores. I think they kind of hold their shape really well on that size canvas, or that style of canvas. So anyways, here it is. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the video, and you'll keep coming back. If you did, click the like, the subscribe, leave me a comment, and we'll see you again next week. Bye guys.